Greetings and salutations, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if it's your first time here. Today, we're going to be learning a beginner-friendly choreography created by myself. Before we get into it, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and heck, even turn on those notifications so you're not missing the latest uploads. And please, do not forget to warm up before attempting any of the moves displayed in this video. An average warm-up of about 15 minutes should get you nice and right. Now that we've got that out of the way, let's get into it. To begin, we're going to start with the inside hand on the pole. Inside leg, which is the leg closest to the pole, will lift up in front and grip at the knee pit. Next, our outside hand, which is the hand furthest away from the pole, comes underneath the knee, and you begin to push off with the outside leg, coming into a spin, straightening the back leg. Please ensure that you have a solid knee grip before you enter into the spin, as no feet should be touching the ground during the spin. Next, we're going to bring our bottom hand to face level while transitioning our legs into chair spin position, bringing our body parallel to the pole. Find the floor with the balls of your feet, twist your hips to face the pole, and push back up to standing. Next, you'll step forward with your inside leg and enter into a drag, ending in a body roll through the leg. Pivoting on our outside foot, we're going to transition into a full rotation pirouette spin, landing on our inside leg. Then, sweeping the outside leg into a momentum dip turn, bring both legs to either side of the pole and push back up to standing. We're going to enter a half pirouette, ending with our back against the pole, enter into a body roll down through the hips, and then reverse that body roll back up through the head. Then we're going to complete the rotation by continuing to move in a clockwise direction, pivoting on our right leg, swinging the left to follow, and planting that foot shoulder width apart. Your body should be facing the pole, bringing the hips back to center. From here, you're going to hit 3 figure eights, starting in a direction towards the right, then to the left, then to the right. Then we're going to take 3 steps around the pole, starting with that inside leg and readjusting the arm if needed. From the walk around, you have full independence and exploration of freestyling or practicing any familiar moves or transitions that you are currently working on. And there you have it, the first 30 seconds of this choreographed sequence. The full choreography will soon be available on my Patreon, launching this Friday, also called The Perspective. And the link will be available in my description box below. If you give this choreography a try, go ahead and leave a comment below, hit the like button and subscribe if you want to see more. And you can also subscribe to my Patreon for more full-length choreography sequences, which will be available for download soon. Have a great one and see y'all next week.